Attention railcar repairers. CTA wants to consolidate our inspection jobs for HVAC and controls regarding 7,000, 5,000 series trains. I personally am very much against this. I need to know what you all want to do about this. In the link of this video are in the description of this video are two links. One is a survey. I need to know what you think of this plan, what you want to do about it, and a link to register for my virtual meeting Sunday, where we will cover this topic, discuss it, plan some action. Please, you need to pay attention to this, because when they take a job, they never want to give it back. Peace.